There's no diet when it comes to the favorite dishes of the mayor of Naujan, Oriental Mindoro. Mayor Mark Marcos knows what he wants to eat and prepares it himself. On Facebook, he shared that a dish of Sinaing na latoy is perfect with tomatoes, onions, kalamyas, chili, and bagoong. The mayor had posted his other favorite dishes on Facebook. Marcos says fried tuyong larangay and mustasa are a perfect combination. He also recommends pinais na dulis with calamansi and sili. While eating sinangag na dulis brings back childhood memories to the politiko.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.